Want to know how to use Buddy AI like a pro? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Buddy AI application and you should be under this interface right here. And I want you under this interface. Using it is super simple. So on the bottom, you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So you can just simply feed your Buddy AI by just simply feeding it once it's hungry. You can also change your outfits with the body bag, and mostly you can make it sleep as well. So you can also use telescopes just like this, and you can also interact in so many more ways in order to learn just like this right here. Now I'm just going to show you how you can just easily do it. So right here, as you can see, you can just simply learn accordingly, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So this follows for the games accordingly. So as you just level through, you can also go through levels by just simply selecting this right here. So simply to a zone, and on the bottom right side you can just simply select this rocket icon, and you can just simply learn English and much more using this right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.